How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do a push-up routine to build muscle for beginners and intermediates. This works. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So the best push-up routine, I did specific push-up routines for a while. I wanted to see how many push-ups I can do in a row. Basically, before I started the push-up routine, I could do about 70 push-ups in a row. When I finished the push-up routine, I did about 150 in a row. So I literally doubled how many push-ups I could do. So obviously, before my push-up routine, I was just training push-ups like every other day, trying to do as many as I can basically every day. That's not the best way of going about doing it. It's also not good to do like a specific number of push-ups every day. Like some people do like 100 push-ups a day for 30 days or 200 push-ups a day for 30 days. That's awful. What you want to do when planning a push-up routine is you want to have a volume day. You want to have an intensity day. Your volume day is about accumulating lots of push-ups, lots of volume. That's the point of it. So you want to do lots of sets, but each set you should be doing a low amount of reps. This just allows you to do more sets, which gains more volume. So what I mean by this, let's say you can do 50 push-ups in a row. Instead of doing 2 sets of 50 push-ups, which is a total of 100 reps, you would do, say, 10 sets of 30 reps or 10 sets of 20 reps. That would give you a total of 200 push-ups. So you've literally doubled the amount of volume that you could regularly do with 2 sets. You could also do 20 sets of, say, 10 reps if you wanted to. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is the total number of push-ups that you do. The next day is the intensity day. 2 sets, many push-ups as you can in a row. That's it. I recommend a day break in between each one. So Monday, volume day, Tuesday, break or rest day, Wednesday, intensity day, Thursday, break, Friday, volume day. And just keep doing that over and over and over again. Eventually, your push-ups are going to skyrocket. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.